So you had a video made. Once the completed video file is handed over for use, what do you do next? A great video on its own isn't enough to guarantee success. Now, you need to understand the most beneficial video optimization technique that will turn that one file into a powerful tool to help your brand succeed all across the internet. Search engine optimization for title and editing. Every single piece of content you post online needs search engine optimization. This pertains to your blog post, now Instagram photo, and also video you intend to share with your customer base. The most important aspect of SEO for video include using your research keyword and the title and heading of the video. Also include a transcript and a clear description. You have to be careful that your title or heading don't come across as just another clickbait. You don't want your viewer to feel tricked into viewing your content. Where is the line between clickbait content and good marketing? This is another topic for another video. Your video is only as powerful as the platform that hosts it. If you only post on YouTube, you are bound by its general structure. Still, optimizing the description of the video on your page or website ensure that the media load quickly and smoothly and the rest of the content align with its purpose. Write a compelling brand-specific description. The video description must showcase the content aligned with your company message and brand story and convince people to watch, click, or head somewhere else to make a purchase or sign up for an email list. Your description, since it is text, gives you another great opportunity for powerful SEO. The metadata is all about optimization. You need the right keyword, phrase, association content, and effective description to propel your video page on Google or Bing search engine result. Like metadata on a web page, the word you use for your video can be included in your transcript file. They identify and help classify it efficiently. Offer a 100% accurate transcript. Another great opportunity for optimization after your video is complete involves getting accurate and well-written transcript. Some people cannot or do not want to actually listen to the video or prefer to read while watching. The transcript helps them experience your content just like a visual book. Also, providing the content of the video in writing form improves the power of the overall marketing strategy. As a video creator, I often get comments about the use of video. It's too expensive. You cannot guarantee the video will work. I don't see the use. Ultimately, it is the responsibility of the client to manage how, when, and where they will post the video. Just making the video doesn't guarantee it will go viral. Often, I will recommend to my client to set a budget aside for promotion for better results. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to check out the online workshop, you will find the link in the description below.